Right, so we have a grid which has triangle T on it, and we're told that shape T or triangle T is reflected in the line x equals minus 1 to give r. R is then reflected in y equals minus 2 to give s, and we're asked to describe a single transformation that will map T onto s. Well, let's do what they're telling us. Let's reflect shape T in the line x equals minus 1. Well, x equals minus 1 is a line that goes through x equals minus 1 and has all points on it where x equals minus 1. So it's that vertical line there. So let's draw that. Nice straight vertical line. There it is. X equals minus 1. Now, if we reflect T in that, we just use it as a mirror line, and we can see that this corner here, it's 2 across the line, and so it's 2 out the other side as well, and we get that. And very quickly we can see that we get this shape here, and that is shape R. Now what about shape S? Well, we need to reflect the one we've just drawn in the line y equals minus 2, and so that's this we need to do here. Y equals minus 2 is a horizontal line through minus 2 on the y-axis. So let's draw that a little more accurately. It looks a little bit like that. There's y equals minus 2. And again, if I take that same corner I started with, down to the mirror line, it's gone 3 straight down to the mirror line, so 3 out the other side, as it were. And again, it's a mirror, so it's going to be upside down this time. And I get that shape there, which is S. So, what are we actually asked to do? We're asked to find the single transformation that will map T onto S. Well, let's have a look, shall we? Clearly, if you look at what's gone on here, T has been rotated, has it not? Through 180 degrees. It's turned out to be the other way up. So it's been rotated through 180 degrees. So let's say that. Rotation by 180 degrees. It doesn't matter whether it's clockwise or anti-clockwise because it'll end up in the same place. And the only thing we need now is a center of rotation, and that is just a point. Well, if we take a look at where the two lines cross, it should be fairly clear that that line there, the blue line, has just been rotated by 180 degrees to get that line there. And so our centre of enlargement is where the two where the two red lines cross. So that's at x equals minus 1 and y equals minus 2. And those are the 3 bits of our transformation. Rotation, 180 degrees, centre, minus 1, minus 2. And we're done.